Cage Aux Folles is a wonderful musical. It's based on a play with the same name. The musical was launched on the theatre boards in 1983-84 and it won Best New Musical of that year.
Biex, tkaken, kant, żfin u briju. Dan huwa dak li wieħed għandu jistenna mill-musical Cage Aux Folles. Iżda wara t-tħejjijiet hemm messaġġ serju kif jispjega Edward Mercieca.
It's amazing how after almost 40 years this musical is as fresh and as relevant and as current as it was then. In fact, I hasten to add that in 1984 I would think it was rather risque, but today it is still extremely relevant. The story is based in Saint-Tropez, and although it could be in any Mediterranean country, because it just has that feel about it. Obviously it was based in Saint-Tropez because he was a French author. But we can consider it to be even in Malta, if you like. Cage Aux Folles itself is a nightclub, and it's a nightclub where it has drag artists who perform. They are called cagelles, okay? And it is run by a couple, a gay couple, Georges and Alban, who are kind of getting a bit old, shall we say, past middle age, a bit like me. And basically, Georges has a son from a marriage, and this son is also, who is not gay, he's heterosexual, but he has a girlfriend and wants to get married, and wants to introduce his girlfriend's very strict parents to his parents. So you can imagine what kind of confusion and disasters can happen when this takes place. The girlfriend's father is the president of a political party which is extremely rigid, and they just want to be extremely conservative. So you can imagine getting them to a flat just above Cage Aux Folles is going to cause tremendous problems for everyone. So there's a lot of comedy there. But as we know, comedy is an excellent vehicle through which we can make very serious statements. And this play is about family and how family is important in everybody's life. It's about acceptance, how we need to accept other people's opinions, lifestyles, creeds, religions, political aspirations, whatever. Everybody has a right to do what they want to do, and we have to accept it. We should be accepting this. If we do that, we'd have a lot of peace on this planet. But unfortunately we don't. So it's very current because it's also about the acceptance of gay couples. So it's still a very relevant musical today. Of course, apart from the serious side of things, which are extremely important, of course, the costumes are extravagant. The cast is fantastic. We have a triple-A cast, I think, with the two leads, Georges and Alban being played by Reka Leia and Georges by Mikhail Bazmajan. I think we have a wonderful cast. The cagelles are fantastic, the choreography is great, the songs are just amazing, and the text is hilarious. I mean, it's laugh out loud text, laugh out loud comedy. But as I said, there's this really serious underbelly in the story that sets you thinking. So whilst you're laughing, you say, wait a minute, I've seen this happen and it shouldn't happen.